In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the product function in Canva Sheets to calculate the product of two numbers or more. So I have this table here, which has some values, and I want to find the total of the costs of these items. So over here, the cost would be this number times this number. So the cost of the item times the quantity. So over here, I'm going to click on the cell and then type in equals. And then over here, you can see the product. If you can't find it, just type in product and then click enter. And now it's going to ask you for the numbers or values that you want to multiply. So just click on the numbers that you want to multiply. So you can just drag, or you can just click on one and then shift click on the other. Another way, if both of your values are not next to each other, because the shift method only works if the values are next to each other. So you can just click on one and then click on comma, and now you can select another value. And now I'm going to select this one. So that's a number of methods that you can use to select values when choosing values for the product function. And then just click enter, and as you can see, the total is now displayed here, and I can actually just drag this down and it will perform the same thing for the rest of the values, as you can see. And if we want to make this even better, we can put this as currency. And that's how you use the product function in Canva Sheets. Hope that helped.